Chevrolet Enjoy's front styling is defined by the signature Chevrolet gold bow tie in the chrome surround three-dimensional grille, sparkling swoosh-style headlamps and leaf-style fog lamps. This is accentuated by the chrome surround meshed air dam in the front bumper. Triple cluster silver surround instrument panel brings in sharp styling definition to the panoramic view dashboard. Soothing blue nighttime illumination of the instrument panel provides strain-free view of the cluster to the human eyes. The Chevrolet Enjoy has been designed with the open spaces theme. The richly pointed, luxurious, dual-tone interiors of the Chevrolet Enjoy adorn it with a premium feel. The wood finish door trims, gear knob and AC vents enhance the styling. Comfort and convenience of the human form was the core design criteria for the Chevrolet Enjoy, thoughtfully demonstrated by features like adjustable armrests in second-row captain seats, tilt-adjustable steering, height-adjustable driver's seat, front and rear air conditioning system, tilt-open rear quarter window. With its high-roof design, luxurious front-row bucket seats, second-row captain seats with a wide aisle passage for best-in-class ingress and egress, to the ultra-spacious third-row seats, the Enjoy pampers its occupants in plush interiors. You'll be comfortable no matter where you sit. Flexi Smart double-folding third-row seat provides a unique combination of both segment-leading leg space and flexibility of space utilization for luggage.